If you're cutting rebar, the higher ridges will get hot faster and give you a quicker start. When you're cutting pipe, you want to keep the tip of the torch pointed at the center of the pipe. Use a pipe wrap to draw a line for a square cut. If you can spin the pipe, try starting on the side and cut to the top. The cut line is easy to see and the torch is in a comfortable position. Slag will probably stick to the inside, especially on thinner walled pipe, but you can make a good square cut. Even if I'm not able to roll the pipe, I still usually start on the bottom and cut to the top, mainly because I can see the cut line better. When you're fabricating in the field or making repairs, you may need to burn a bolt hole. I like to make cross lines for a reference to help keep it round. You don't have an edge to start on, so get the metal hot, ease on the cutting jet, and move the tip. When you're all the way through, circle the torch, making the hole a little bigger every time, using the cross lines to keep the hole centered and round. You'll probably end up with some slag on the bottom side, but with practice, you'll be able to drill some pretty nice holes with a torch. For bigger holes, or if you need to cut round pieces, you can use a circle burner. The torch fits into it, and there's an adjustable point that you put in a center punch mark on the metal. Preheat fairly hot and ease into the start, keeping the tip moving. Cut back a little, then just pivot it around. If you have several holes to cut, this saves layout time and all the holes are identical. In making repairs, you may also run into the situation where you have to cut apart a T-joint. You can cut just above the weld then start slicing it off. When you get close to the base, you start washing off the metal. Back the torch away and ease off the cutting jet lever to slow down the cutting jet. Watch the back side of the cut stream to make sure it's not gouging into the base metal.